Adams, I give you warning. I give you warning. I give you maximum warning. Try as some Adams may catch you in all. I give you bit me at the tea a bush and a time. So when Tia me must someone. Let me say who's any my baby one. I dear we bit me at the time and no, your bush yen time. I give you warning. Stay away from this girl. Adams, I told you stay away from Precious, but I don't know you never stay away from the Precious. I give you maximum warning. This is your last warning. So what true Adam you? Someone is our Precious no at all. Adams, what is your school? What is your school?
What has Precious done? Like Precious, I said I like her, so I
you like her.
So
stop rubbish. You like who? You like who? Now Johnny who you know so I know so you dey. Huh? Then you buy one in kwatra. Memin twaduane ma Precious. Enkoto makoto aduane wa Adam's kitchen papa bi. Ah Precious you di aduane no. Na wo akwa don sa akoto aduane mu di aduane na di on.
Finance aduane no da no na atoma.
Me am toma no. I give you Precious food. Me am to aduane ne ma no.
No fa sa da no so aduane nya na me frɛ wo say come de me pay ska to aduane asu ni ska na okwa wo sori undidi ye.
O jale ne tu ka wo aduane me sa akoto aduane ma. Why the chow school?
No problem in school na me.
I'm say one or show school. One or show school.
Of was
I'm a show school. It is a bit some zibana mentime nya ziban ska mawa. And no chance men to aduane come obi. Na ni nkodi. Woni get ni din again ko wu yanka be ka say.
So fascinating na you.
I'm asking you question. Mu didi no. And again wu ya. That is what ko pass ma to me wo fa so me boa. The do ba school ma se be twempra.
Papa ni na kan o me sua de na we.
Ni who sua de na say twempra. Adams who sua de na wo say twempra. Adams mama me kasa ayi bebre wo school mu a. Mama me kasa ayi bebre se school mu bi anim se me kasa dodo. Bi chomo so kasa roro.
Kasa one open out.
Can't you see? Your uncle talking, then you talking. Can't you see? You never shame. I said you never shame. I said stay away from Precious. Se fitting ekomi husa wone Precious. Echina hokura say Adams been show school bi. Wa find me sa wo dey any so ba kota kwade na akọ fish. Aton dia be ho school am enyama sama.
For Precious no school mu ayi na na e school mu ama. Nti ma fa ne say me yon kono no na say o dey aduane aba na yi na ye dia. Ofa se boni bi anim. Man in yet said man in yes me nipa bonini analysis.
Hey Adams, say you never be ashamed. You never be ashamed. Adams, can't you shame? Huh?
If I mean ma bebre free school more Precious on kwa me ni free I say no dey we gina so afa ne personal. Yes sir.
Me nyini sin. And now what the empanyin say wo kwa aware bisa when you go to marriage ask OATOA ask. Bisa
ASK.
Me say ASK. Sanam kai. Me see OAT.
Hey. Fancy
OAT. Adam, can't say.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pese me come any months with your meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah.
Whoa! Let me photograph you in this lot in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized. How are you doing?
Brother James.
Yeah.
You look so happy.
Yes, I'm happy.
What's going on?
Today is a special day.
Oh.
Sister Conning. Oh, it's almost time.
Brother James.
Yeah.
Where's your watch?
It's transparent. Yeah. Today I'm taking my pretty little breaker out.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see.
Yeah, so the set time was 9, and it's almost 9. So I am on my way to see my queen. And is she around?
Oh, I've not seen her. I thought you know where she is. Why didn't communicate with her before coming?
Ah, you've not seen Brea?
Nah, I haven't.
Ria is at the hostel.
Nah, initially I even thought he was with you. She was with you, sorry.
Ah. Brita is not at the hostel.
Nah.
Like how? Why? How?
Why are you asking me? I don't know where
No,
it is.
because we agreed on 9. It's 9.
So you have to deal with it. I don't know. I don't know where she is.
Oh, Brita, come on, Brita.
Are these for her? Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Hey, brother James, you're romantical.
Exactly. I am, if you are patient, you get to see the good side of me. Yeah. That's how it is.
So those who are not patient,
they won't see that side of me. Exactly.
Right.
Yeah. If you are with me and you don't take time, you won't see the good side of me. Exactly. So today, she likes yellow. What's this color again?
Yellow.
Is that pink, right?
Pink.
Yeah. That's a favorite color. So I decided to present these petals to her. Yeah. Exactly.
Right now she's not around, so I'm going.
Wait, I'm coming. You see, since she's not around, I don't think I can take this back.
Oh, you can?
No, please.
Oh, you can?
You know what? I don't want to take it back. I want to give it to you. When she comes, you give it to her for me. Yeah.
I can't.
Oh, why?
I can't do that. You want to show her your gesture. Wait for her when you meet her. Then
and she is not around. I don't know so Titigu. So go and
keep it
safe.
New ones. This one, I'm sure you got it around the side. You can just get some when you're going back and then.
What it where?
Brother James.
I am coming straight from the mall. Where did I get it from?
This. Oh, I'm not ready for this morning, Brother James.
Please,
you can get.
Oh no. For me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. And I found a girl. Beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love. Not knowing what it was.
It's okay, it's okay. Come. It's okay, come. Oh, so now you're giving it to me.
You gotta be kidding. I will slap you. When she comes, give it to her. And tell her that her man came here to take her out. So she should prepare and wait for me. She should prepare and wait for me, huh? I'll be back in no time. Darling, just dive right. Follow my lead. And a funny girl. Beautiful and sweet.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I'm in the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my
Yes, huh? What's your problem? What's your problem? You're just like a cat.
Don't call me searching, and you call me searching.
Are you coming with song or what?
Don't call me searching.
I said, are you coming with song or what? What's your problem?
I said I wanted to apologize. I'm sorry about the last time.
Apologize for what? Apologize for what? Do you think I'm a fool? Huh? Ajiwa, do you think I'm a fool?
Semaye, you see, I didn't think bad though. The thing is, I thought he's your nephew, so when you give me the food, I can share it.
He's my chichi. He's my chichi. He's my chichi. Are you coming to me then? You just croak me then it. I think maybe you are a fanfula. You are totally fanfula. Hey, you want me strong koko for pamun koko. Samusi muni me tuntum bechi ahon. Me ne mo bechi pa what it?
Seba, you
I give you food, then you give it something like my type of man? Huh? You think I'm a fool?
Your type of man.
Man, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Me go Adam's kitchen. I go to Adam's kitchen, buy some food to you, then you give me my own type man. Hey!
But I thought he's your nephew.
Hey! It's like you cheat with you as an achaka. You think I'm a fool? You think I'm a small boy?
No, say my year.
I go to Adam's kitchen, buy you some food, then you give it to the same man. You think I'm a fool? Huh?
Say my, the thing is
what?
Calm down. I feel like
I will never calm down. I will never calm down. Ah, if you can't man why you're home, you be as a what I'm to say footballer, being possible bonity. What it? When no man has a coach, you are so dark. That was too young country when now. Women tribe and a mount said now they come and me young Bema. Now would can't okay one go. I from Jimmy for Mwa. And him there and farm Jimmy for our Cabeda. Cabeda Mazin Ayan. Cabeda Mazin Ayan. Kakada! Kanakada!
Minkeda.
I will say Kanakada.
Minkeda.
Ankada, our agent Brannan, Arizal. S. Ankada, I was say Menyozo, Ebazin and Yawa. Ebazil and Am Menyo. Tell me. Me Fancho. Who can say who said and me the chona day? Me chona day.
I don't know why you are
debut. Say what's me Fancho. Okay, so now if I'll give you, so what happened again?
I will be cool again.
What cool? Tell me that I want to go into the deep, the cool. What cool?
Again.
Is it cool water or what?
As we were close.
Close for what? That's what I'm here. Close for what?
Friends.
Friends for what?
Teacher, uncle, daughter.
We do pao. Wallahi, we do pao. We are typical. You come out, we are from Fula. Come. What's coming? What wrong? You think I'm a genius?
The wisest man I've met. I won't even lie. Trust me, I will not lie.
I'll not lie. I'll not be of net. Do I? I can teach you when Saka go down and go. Sure. For what some call the daddy away, no, the beer ban will be your home. Go! I say, cat, nekada. I'm a sekada. I will say that. It means sound original or person. About some or what? Me walk around women. Now walk around. Why are you so Tinian Sanquani Gumon? Yan Sanquani Gumon. I will show you I am Sir Mai. Go and Zongo. You just go Zongo to find Mai.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? Apologize for what? What is apologize? Apologize
I
for
didn't even see anything wrong with it, but I have to apologize.
It's a wrong.
Don't you buy
take me like you, then you go to Adam's kitchen to buy food to me. I give it to your own type of girl. Is it the same?
If the person is related to me and I buy food for the person, it's nothing.
Oh,
you see, you always buy food for him,
so with him. So now can I the curry can I gonna go? Huh?
I don't understand.
Oba noko oba wie. What it? You think I'm a fool? You precious, you think I'm a fool? Please, go.
Me, I won't go unless you go and leave me.
I'm a second kada.
Unless you go and leave me, I'll not go.
You go? Me, I'm going to my bedroom. Oh. Are you follow me the bedroom? What's the other way? Oh no, wouldn't see when you at home. Go. Don't ever follow me. Okay? Huh? Are you follow me? Why? What? Yeah? Oh, boys now has a changwano. Oh, boys now has a changwano. I'm Masawaha. I'm out shoot throat now. I'm a perform after a joust out. Wow. Who give a check? Oh, Nancy and her. Oh, also Nancy and her. As Van Nancy and all. Call me help. Who know the cocoa Adams? I do what's up with Adam's kitchen, Simon. What's that? Your cocoa must have the same Adams now. How? Where are you going? Huh? Young Kozao. Abba, some young Kozao. Yeah, because I'm here. Also, I got a Musa precious. We are going to bonnet.
From Massa, who jamming on it?
Now who jam ya ka obi bika?
From now, yes, now. Now, some kind of make a no one can see. Now, me do it. Mrs. said, because some kind of make a train and between the TM.
Yes, some now catch me. Can't watch us some there some now catch me.
Mom, bro. I'm away.
But Massa who the okay there na huh? Who the okay? There some
2 days ni me hu ama school mu anu.
Me busa me ama beta. Me busa me wati. Question eh. Untim go hwe no.
Ana Mike, ama ye unu anti se me hu ama school mu ana me bisa wa. Ade na bibia no aye ho gangsters.
Ma me control you. Bro. Enya Confronting chain. We do Nyankopon. Me do Nyankopon. Me nenyo first and last time. Wo eni busa me nua na se free me. What asem na me control no.
Like me do Nyankopon. Ama ye unu anko ade.
Obebusa me bo a mate.
Hade na
what say I answer baby before from me no me no tell. Now obusa na friend. So on the number, I need number.
Nti me friend man na ekwa nka me de megimi se nka me di wechi no ba baby saw.
Eti nsi a send them me friend na ekwa. You send them on fama.
Eno ye me ni ntem asem.
Eni e mo be sa wa baby a. Me baby o. Asa, me see me baby o ade. Don't frustrate me. Me baby o.
Like man saying unema bi insisi so.
Me nyama bi insisi so. Me nyama bi insisi.
Me dem me okay, unema bi insisi.
What shall what? Fucking boy like you. You think I'm a kid? You think I'm a kid? I see some kwakwa. From kwase free man so ko. Me say, me baby o wa kwahwehwe no. What?
Mike, unua bant me free school mu abra crowd baby a wo ko. Nti unim baby o.
Bema. Who will say some questions? Me me papa one day draw and bia. What? Me me papa one draw and style bi ma.
Mike, me donya me nka me sabe ke kan.
She! O no sabe ke kame.
Donya me. Me papa da draw me meni.
Adams,
kam me sabe ke kan off.
Adams, do yam sen ke do fu be call. Ke ba fa fu school mu a. Ka u parent di e ba be fa school mu a.
Mike, won nsem ya okeka da ko be oda boni o. Da ko me no mi be oda boni o.
Me trust say me bisa wu ni aba so o a edru so do mpa bo betwa me no so. Na me trust say me do yam say ada na wo kan say ada boni na wo kan no. E o funu ni e be wa fa. Anti ka wu wetim ni ma longa na.
Do nyame se me no be.
Wo
Mike, kunu ya ba ni internet to da na me ma bre me ho ase na me no like nti
guy besin na me kokon besin kiko
jemudi
besin jemi mu e bo besin so ne me kon ka chi magana nkaji ka fight na kaji besin guy besin asia what about Jimmy?
Yeah, me pen kwara me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
Na me ka say bi our library obi o. Remember me so more library. Tiana William is from Pacific South Kakri.
Hey, you scared me because it has never happened.
Oh, this is not a scary thing. Seriously, it's not a scary thing. It's a serious thing, but it's not a scary. Please, have you seen Amita, my sister?
No, it's been 2 days. 2 days near me.
Hey, how could you fine?
Can remind my baby Saka.
Yeah, why you so bad, baby Sammy? That's something why I'm in the door.
So, me, I'm not
Hey, it's wild when it's wild you're coin. What do you want to from our own? I'm a bit of a coin.
I don't know. She talked nothing about coming or going anywhere.
Hey, Bradley Uncle. Hey, give me Ninja. One coming.
And it's unfair because
she didn't told me.
It's unfair. She has to. are you guys fighting?
Unfortunately, like we are not fighting, but
Then
I don't know why my sister like.
Relax. Just relax. You see her.
I'm a better.
But it's unfair because she has to inform me before going out.
Oh dear, Mati. Why? Mati,
Me will be
no. Oh dear, my busa, omo bia so ohun no. Sisi a mama me hu de menye me ho kra o. Hey. Oh dear, Mati.
Let's not go for them, sure, but I don't give.
Oh, I no go do anything.
Are you sure?
Oh, I no go do anything. Hey.
Yeah, I'll search for her and see.
Sister, Mati.
If anything.
Okay. Today we'll meet tomorrow. Hey. Bye. I'm a bit behind papa. It's a mini cashier on you. Make cashier on you. So this time around, when you go and something happened to you, is it my frustration? I am a fault. Is it my frustration? Have you set your eyes on Amita? It's like for the past 2 days, she's nowhere to be found on this campus.
I've also not seen her.
How possible? Like, you are in the same hostel with her and you've not seen her.
But why are you looking for her?
I'm not looking for her, I'm just worried. Like, where could she be? Like, how?
I don't know where she is.
You are in the same hostel with her, so at least you should know her
So the
whereabouts.
fact that I'm in the same hostel as her, I'm supposed to know wherever she goes.
Yeah, at least.
I don't know where she is. All I know is that she's not in the hostel. I don't know where she is. And besides, why are you bothered like that? How are you related to her? Is it your business that she's
I'm not
there?
bothered, like, I'm not related to her in any way, but you know, she's our colleague in this school, so at least if we can't find her, we all have to be concerned about it. So, for me as Ken, it's not any big deal. This girl, yeah, 2 good days, she's nowhere to be found on this campus. Why?
Do you know that my J is not even worried as you are?
My J is not worried as I am.
So I don't know why you are worried like that. And besides, she is my friend too. And I'm not as worried as you are. You are acting right now.
And it's my best friend's sister, so automatically she is my sister as well. So I can be worried. So that one, it doesn't matter. Like,
Then please, I've not seen her anyway.
how can she be so childish? How can she just leave the school without telling anyone? Like, why? Huh?
Adams, are you okay?
I'm all...
When you were coming in, did you drink something before coming?
Yeah, I drank some. I had some tea, like some breakfast. I'm okay.
I mean, have you started taking some drugs or something?
Precious, don't be silly. I'm very serious here. No, you are cracking jokes. I started taking what?
You can tell me.
Precious, I'm serious here. Don't be silly. I'm very serious. Amma is nowhere to be found. Our colleague is nowhere to be found, and we are looking for her. See what you're asking.
Why you are talking like this?
How am I talking?
You are not even friends with her like that. You have taken something this morning, and how shall I say?
She's my friend. What shall I say there? Precious, don't joke.
I'm suspecting. I feel like you are high and standing, so you just eat something and go and sleep. I feel like by the time you wake up, you won't even remember what you said. Cause what you are doing here is shocking.
Just imagine, how can you just leave the school without telling me? At least you should tell me something. No, even you should just
something.
Like, wait, I mean her brother. Like, not me, because for me, I don't have any connection with her. So at least you should tell your brother something. Like, how can you just leave us here like that?
Adams, all your ranting, I don't know the essence. I don't know the head and the tail. You are looking for somebody who isn't even your friend.
Don't you understand me? She's my best friend's sister. So automatically, Amma is my sister. So I have to put in the energy. Like, we are all looking for her. Huh? This is a very serious something, Precious. It's not time for us to be ranting around. Like, it's very serious something.
See, you are shaking. The drug is working. The drug is working.
Precious, don't accuse me of taking drugs or anything. Like I'm serious.
And I'm just going to relax.
I should go and relax like how?
The drug is really working in your system. Just go and relax.
I'm just Precious, just stop. Like I'm very serious.
Me, Ama.
Like I was just confused. I'm very worried.
If you are really worried, go and look for her. Me, I can't help you.
Precious, I've been looking for her.
Go and look for her. Go and look for her. What is that? I said I've not seen the girl. You keep on asking me. What is that? Go and look for her.
Now why are you raising a
voice? Go and look for her. Since you are serious, go and look for her. Go. Go.
I'm just asking you about someone.
Go and look for her, Adams.
Do you know what can happen for us in on campus? Do you know what can happen? And the whole school can be in problem. That's why I'm very serious about this matter. Aside that, me and Amma, after all, what? The whole school can be in a serious problem. Just imagine if the school authorities come and Amma is nowhere to be found. Precious. Amma, can I bet me free school my brown crowd be as I say? Mama dreaming me bring like me nyoki. Huh? Just yeah.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
So I give it. Are you serious? Are you serious? My friend number na enko. My friend na enko. Are you serious? It will be a so who. Hey, Radimewu. Nani okoyi se wa okoyi mini nyina na wa ha. Maintain nke bia obesine. Mati se wa de mati se wa bibia ni amesu me fronti. Bibia ni amai. Mati se wa. Mati se wa.
Me na me te so say
ya fa Jimmy fro wo sam na me se wa kasa na wa Jimmy ana
ade wewu ana
se wa Mati
me te so say ready wewu bi ade oyewu
why na ewu
why na ne
o to wa na ewu
why na ne
de wa na ewu wa na ewu
na why na ne kosa
ah wa na ewu kaji wa na ewu we no na mo nyina adwen bone ma abusuafo o
se mate so yo ko so owu ntino so owu ase
I'm better
I'm an friend na wonya what's my friend is my friend is
Pajimi ko my friend intimi ende
wonya no my try
bradi yakopon fia
like any bra ba yen na hwehwe akra na den na me fira me nkwan
any bra ba fa wo bai ewuya
na ule some so me no oba
ule no oba akohwehwe no na me so me hwehwe me
entie me enu hwehwe no enye nim cause am she inside o my
bradi yakopon na ko ya fa yi
wa hwehwe so hefa no betimi
me de me nim baby obetimi akọ nim baby obetimi akọ me nim baby o
fie so nim na danfo bia so betimi akọ no
ebira me fie de ono no fie opia we won tena room won ti me nim de obekọ akọhye no ho
yes Aroma hotel
wani wa Aroma hotel
si wani Aroma hotel
fi ono Aroma betimi de me ni akọhye hotel Aroma no betimi de me ni akọhye hotel
amane Aroma hotel
just forget the hokan no
nessa ama hefa na mabeko
na me sa adwene wa me ntia ase
ama ne wo dada ina nko baby a school mo ba nko baby a won say be 2 days na ehunu no Aroma on better hostel hotel
asa
kabo na sam travel mi so mo she
utimi se ma dwe woni bo ni nya yi 2 so ya akeka bibia na so zampa na ko she hotel bo a fro ama brota
kabibia Mike me kabibia wunti dakro be ya no bi do sika edwa nanka me so be hotel o mo she hotel mimi ni Aroma
ti mimi ni na ko she hotel
no ni sia na dey start but ni she hotel 3 days 2 days no mayera they say I'm a free school mo be 2 days ni Aroma so be da hostel o mo we It can be a strong come to
Me ma ko mi akwa ko she hotel.
so my Mike we na one now people make us kumbo no dada na kautie na. Sa me kai to school dia ko na yi aba student who are e chire din ya na yi
Adams.
Adams.
Adams, please help me. Adams, help me. Let me find my sister. Okay?
Let's kill Aroma first.
Help me, let me kill Aroma. Hey, we are wicked. We go cool be baby boy. Yes, so I'm here, I'm call. Oh. Ah? Your mommy 20 years, na me call them me wa. Ya me tua no wo fa ni nyina ka wate. Me no hu na kasa. Ya me tua mu nyina ka me kokko bi ba. Fa ko se fu ko akwa ni yesu so na o se kokko bi ba.
Nipa na ma kwa no so asumdwe na ya Aroma. Ye ku na bi.
Help me o so me nsa ayere me nsa che kokko nipa wani age. Tidi mu no we are wicked.
Mike, no kuna enye gidigidi ti se de ohunu no onye se kofa ade bona na sese you. Your kokko kantin okra. Toothpick na di yesim. Wait me that show sim now ba ohuna. You doing come no way young. I'm doing come on.
Nipa bi se oni na nya asema. Oso ejimi. Nipa bi se. Oso mi ni na nya asem so ejimi firi akọ.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pesa me come.
Asa, Jinao. Aroma. Tia mi semeni mi nya no way. Ah? Mi nya no way. Mi busa wasam mi nya ma breta oi. Me nya waji se bia odi mi nya na kwa kwhye hotel bi. Etu ba be yusu mi nya no e wo ho yo. Masa. Mi de wo betimi aye. Mi nya no way.
You know, Mike, you are just fun. Yeah, I know. You are very fun. Very, very.
Me no who asere. You are mad. Oh, podam. Oti. Me see me nya no way yo. Masa,
I will sit and fabricate story. No aba. What is the meaning of Neo and Mike?
Me nya akra ma wo.
My friend,
Me nya akra ma Aroma. You can't stand there and fabricate story. You want to tell me a story? Hey, me nya no way. Me Jimmy o because me de wo betimi e. Away.
And Breta. As you stand now, who person check me say who baby a Breta o. And you think say me na me baby a Breta.
Na you no baby o no way. They me no nanam.
Bro, call home and check up. Now what baskum no you call home and check up.
My friend fie yesu mi nya ni fie timi nya no.
Are you serious?
My friend fie yesu mi nya ni fie timi nya away. Ayo no ni onam. Baby ayo no ni nam. Osa. Me catch you. Ko se baby a mi nya no wo. Yes sir, me ma hu nto da wo yesu we mu.
Now you see your life. You see your life. You see how should I use stupid Mike? I don't have to insult you, but you see how you are. Now you think say who Breta, there is somebody to come to and that person is Aroma. Me?
What you am say you free me no. Eti am say you free me no. So you free no one. I can you na me baby saw. Foolish guy. I tell you, what's your mistake? O see some go like some yakwa mo na.
Rami bottom na you.
Masa ana maka cho no. Catch on yet for asu ni tie ni ye. Just na me catch on tie ni ye. Me nya no. Se me hu na me busa wa akopin se me hu no. And yes sir, Aroma. Me and you are not going to
let me also tell you something. Say one so one my Breta, what dey hu ahye no so. I don't know where she is. Because I'm also looking for her. I say what ban her baby some way. You should prepare. That will be coming to you.
It's enough.
I know that man.
Until me and you are dead.
Is that serious? Breta. Gotta be kidding me. Was she around when I came?
No.
Was she there when I came?
No.
Answer me. When I came there, was she around?
She wasn't around.
Was Breta there?
No.
What sort of stupidity is that? This is nonsense.
What's going on? Brother James, what's going on?
Yo, don't try. It is because of love. Mike, love. Love. kid? Come on! Was she there when I came?
No.
When I came, was Britta there?
No, Brother James. I keep on telling you that I don't know where she is. You're the perfect person to know where she is.
Who is the person? I can't. Britta, Pressure, is it that serious?
I don't know where she is. She has probably gone home or something. I don't know.
She would tell me. I'm not sure she will go here without telling me.
She would tell you and she didn't tell you. Then why are you asking me? If she didn't tell you, how come she would tell me? I don't know where she is. Why are you all asking me this? What is wrong?
Oh, what do you mean by oh? Are they asking you too?
Another person also asked me the same thing. Don't take it serious. I'm sure she has gone somewhere. She'll be back.
No. She can't do that.
You said you've tried calling her.
I've called her number, the phone and the SIM, or everything. I've called everything. Still, I can't reach her. The phone is switched off. Why? Precious. I am starting to feel bad. I don't know, but I'm starting to feel bad.
You have a bad feeling.
Bad feeling.
I don't think something has happened to her. I don't know. I don't know where she is. Are you crying, brother?
I have to cry. What should I do?
Brother, don't cry. Use your other side to clean.
Don't use it. I have handkerchief. Why would I do that? Why would I do that? Why would I kidnap Britta? For what reason would I do that? I think I have to be careful. I have to be extra careful. When was the last time you saw her?
Last week.
Last week? How was she dressed, and how was her mood?
She was just normal. I don't know where she has gone to.
And how was her mood? She
was just normal. She was okay. Brother James, I don't know what has happened.
I don't know where she is, and I'm sure my dad doesn't know where she is too. And he think Britta is with me. Why would I do that? That I've kidnapped her, I've camped her. Why?
I don't know what to say again. Right now, I don't know where she is. It's up to you to find her. Me, I don't know where she is.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I'm in the party they come my way. Oh, yeah.
Look at you. Come to shame. Look at your set. Ask the students. Look at you. Najee, and you say, I'm in Pawasamo. Usuku, we hear me. Miss Row. What hockey can we school, man? Najee, Jenny. Just
ni brana about. So we get this about 3 weeks ni. Me who am Britta?
Britta.
Me who no.
Okay.
Say me ni baby of my friend fie nyina busa obi aso oni fie. My friend me nam fofo a minimum o betima akọ mo nyina obi aso o ma ho. Me ni baby a me nua nafa. I can't believe this, say.
Because what?
I can't believe this.
You believe this, but it don't ever pressure on you. She's come. Obeba. Now we try. A madie way and so na fe u kasa o school mu a e jawa kasa school mu ano. Wa sem pie ha. Tap akonsafo ne gu ano. Obu na we yakosum. No wa so ha. Na fe wo twe asem na abasa ene ne sre. Misre. Yedin obeba. Na wo bisa Aroma mo ne boys.
Me Aroma makono wa kubisa no se ohun ni baby a fa me so me suspect sa guy no so. Me suspect no. And me suspect no pa
nyabotre ne tu stone sen. Ase bia no Iddi na fish na. Obeba. Me pese obebie wa no na nkoton ton sem no na akoye problems bebre.
Because of this, I can't even run. I can't even sit down and run this time around. Yeah. Say, how can I run?
I say student, you say run. Can't you shame? Run. What is run? Is it learn or run? Huh?
Learn.
What's the name to me?
I
take about Mutanu, school no say na uko. Tusa keka wa born to say tusa dia na we be tusa keka zabu
So this time around, everybody wants saying is improvement.
Everybody want say.
I'm improving myself.
Everybody want say. What does everybody want?
So will be asking me like me, you me home, bro.
Somebody say everybody. We, Toto. We. Meaning is we. Dodo. I'm not saying we. Dodo.
Because
me sinya abotre ade na wo yam tese woni wo be de wura na be de
me nya abotre na
so kan sem na na fa kududu baby na we twa sem na basane ne stress
sometimes
sometimes
I feel progress in my heart because if you won't find your sister it's very painful.
Blofudu a wo ba onom ye de onom onkwa usku ni ka ye mon kakrak se befu se tese onkwa usku ni ka no usku top se tese woman me do one best school about you was me say what you correct down on classroom or what she say adoro
so some they also jai account because I know you came
oh yeah dear me say jai enko kasa akora mo beba Brita he no ko obeba me srew when person be bie wa no am obi ati
me hu na say mo boys ni bu anhwa moja be good school wa o
wallahi we ya hu say moja say master school master Iddi no obe lucky wo.
Yeah,
Obelok one ni ti bomutu.
My sister is missing now.
Yeah, Obeton who said you will be thrown who punchy will be she on no san obel. What you your so would they school have the mamoja pram will be. What right will lie the cake up can
because at the end of the year some because I can't find my sister.
You can't find my sister. I said you have to relax.
Then I've been patient for a long.
Obeka Okatrema Jai. Why? Jai Obeka. Brofo na wo dey kwa wanum sa presa wa bra me te brofo say dey me tidwie. Why are you playing like that?
Tell say
why are you playing like that?
I don't so ka brofo
brofo ya na mo kan brofo me din kofo bi tu kwan ye tre e call France abroach me no mu bin say me na mabon I standing the two guys
now come
to split that no mu chira ho
mutu kwa gwa
me na me ka chiro boy back who why na giri your friends are that on see broni more
went to me
fofo boy
and I said won't say after won't say
me you do like your type like a Sadat Banza Shaggy.
Yeah, I can't be your friend. That's Sadat.
I'm not saying you be a Sadat friend, no. I'm just comparison. Your English and Sadat English and one of guy. I can't mention the guy name. The English is one competitor.
Okay.
It's one competitor.
It's the one combined.
The one combined. Okay. Itai Joshi. Many body one mind.